Hey there, YouTube and Land Cruiser owners or soon-to-be owners. In this video, I want to share with you an awesome decal set. This comes from Two's Nation, if I'm pronouncing that right. So these guys are from Australia. They carry tons of different decals you can put on your Land Cruiser, and it is awesome. What I really like about the Land Cruiser, you can see how the sun's hitting this line. And this kind of accentuates it, right? It shows you the curve here, goes across the two doors, and then here, the whole fender. You know, you just get to visually see it even more, you know, with the 1 inch and the 1 inch on these two sides. To me, a thing of beauty. So I just got these wheels. We had gold wheels before, or bronze, if you will. And we kind of changed the look to like a silver black. So this decal is perfect. And when you get decals, the reason why I'm doing this video and sharing this, I bought a decal which was just this same look from a different company, okay? Also from Australia. It's right here, because I ended up putting one on one side, and it was just a nightmare because when you get these stickers, there's a sheet on each side. So one you peel back so you get the sticky side. So this has got to stick down, and then you peel back the other one. Well, to get the one sheet off one side, it was like masking tape. I don't know if it was sitting on a shelf for 5-10 years waiting for someone to buy it. It was hell taking it off. It took me like 10 minutes. And then when I put this on, you pat it all down, smooth it out. I still got bubbles because I think this is an inferior quality wrap. Vinyl wrap. And then when I peeled off, it took forever. It was a pain in the butt. This, however, had wax paper. It was so well done. So peeled off to get the sticky side, put it down, and then peeled back so that, you know, again, everything lines up perfect. You're not putting that letter by letter. You would never get it straight like that. It has to be already on a sticky that you peel away, and that stays. Piece of cake. It was easy. Install, super easy. I just had to measure, you know, and I use green painter's tape, you know, blue or green painter's tape. Don't use masking tape on your paint. Just use a nice, you know, low stick painter tape to line up to get it bang on. And I think I did a good job. You don't have to go to a shop and have them do it. You can do it yourself. So amazing. And the vinyl that Two's Nation uses is high quality. There's no bubbles whatsoever. Look at that. It's just perfect the whole way. That's not a bubble, that's a raindrop. It just rained here last night. So perfect. Whereas this one, when I say bubbles, let's take a closer look. I don't know if you can see it in the sun. There's a bubble there. There's a bubble here. And even the hot sun didn't get rid of those bubbles because that vinyl doesn't have microscopic little holes where it can breathe and let, you know, any air trapped underneath out. So check that look. Let's look at the other side. And I'll go to their site and show you, like, there's tons of options, so hang tight. I'll show you that in a second. But just gives such a distinctive look. I'm sure in Australia, where they have tons of their, you know, personalized Land Cruisers, get thumbs up all the time. Well, here in the US, same thing. My daughter drives this, and thumbs up, left, right, and center. When you're in a sea of Teslas here in Southern California, probably what the Honda Civic used to be back in the day, just all over the place, it's boring, right? Boring. You need nice, beautiful trucks like this with beautiful lines, and the decal definitely accentuates those lines. All right, let's check out their website. I know some of you are going to ask me about these. Also from Australia, mate. Why do the Aussies get all the good stuff? You know what I'm saying? Why? We don't here in the US. There's no cool LEDs in the US like this. So if you have a 60 or an 80 with the quad lights, these are called the Angry Eyes, and they are awesome. I love it. This whole piece, it's white at night as a driving light, or it's a sequential turn signal, so it goes orange and it kind of slides across. Or there's an RGB, you can put it any color you want. Even the when you start up your car, it does a little sequence that is badass. As if this rig wasn't badass enough already. So I'll put a link in the description for that. But let's go check out their website and see the different decals you can get. All right, here we are on Tuesday Nation's website, so you can see always coming out with new stuff, cool designs on a 60 series. That's pretty cool. Forerunners too. So I mean, it's so many different vehicles. 70 series, you know, Tacoma pickup trucks. There's another 70. So here we go. There's that same Z. So many different. There's a 100 series. I mean, you can peruse their site and just personalize something that's cool for your look that you're looking for. Even if you have the new. No, what is that? I thought that was a 250. Sorry. There we go. There's a 250 Prado. So you can get them for them as well. So just to personalize, get a cool Toyota look on your rig. Yeah, in so many different colors, like I said, and it's easy to apply. It's a total do-it-yourself product. But for 60 series in particular, like, look at the list goes on and on and on. Those prices are in, you know, in Australian currency. So you can obviously get a lot cheaper in US once you do the exchange. But yeah, there's just tons. And same thing goes for the 100, for the 200, for 250, for a GX 550. Just the list goes on and on. So see this blue one to the right? It comes in white. It comes in different colors. So that's what I have, except with the Sahara. So if you don't want Sahara, you can just get lines only. If you want the lines to be higher up, look at the white 60 to the left. So different styles, the swooping down, the swooping up. Just whatever you're looking for. So cool. The list goes on and on. I'm not going to bore a super low one there to the left. So the list goes on and on. I will not bore you with that. This is my 80 series. So even if you want stickers like this, the turbo, or if you want to get the 4500, if you have a, you know, an FZJ, you can get those as well. So, haven't done any stickers on the 200 series yet. Maybe, we'll see. I gotta see what they got. But I already have this colored down here on that molding. But yeah, ultimately, this is it. This is the one that grabbed my attention. I think it's a clean look. And it really adds a lot of character to the landcruiser. Daughter loves it. And it turns even more heads now that I have that decal. So Tuesday Nation, it's the way to go. There's a few different companies that supply decals, but this one, because I've tried another and I was not impressed, this one is the right one. It's great, easy to apply, and their selection is huge. So check out the link in the description below. And a link also for those headlights if that's something that interests you as well. And by the way, yes, I'm in the US. I know I've got followers across the world, but you can get these decals anywhere, and it came pretty quick. And it's pretty inexpensive to have it shipped to the US because, again, it's just a light package. It's decals in that box that you saw here earlier. All right. Well, there it is. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you like Land Cruisers. I share things like that. Sometimes I sell Land Cruisers on my site. Other gear like the headlights. There was just an LX 450 on my site that had 27,000 miles, sold for 95,000 bucks. It sold in 48 hours. And there's a new red pearl I'm putting on my site. Same price. It's a thing of beauty. So even if you have a Land Cruiser and you're in California or in the US, hit me up. My site definitely gets great exposure to Land Cruiser people. So cruising the land, everything Land Cruisers. Check it out, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in.